Hello friends, today in this tutorial we will be building a Google search results landing page UI clone inside HTML5 and CSS3. So basically this is, you have seen this result page often here whenever you search anything on Google, and basically whenever the result page opens, this is the SERP results which contains all the pages that are appearing on google.com. This is the first page, this is the second page. So this contains the title, link and a short little description. So if you visit google.com and if you search anything on Google, let's suppose I search for programming, and these search results appear right here. You will see this is a default styling which is given to each search result, which is the title, which is the URL and a short little description. So similarly, we will try to replicate this design inside this video. You will see this is a UI clone, about 24 results. This is the UI tabs, all images. You will see this is all images, all these things which is coming here. Obviously this in a real-time application, this will be coming from a database, all these search results. So we need to design this interface from scratch inside HTML and CSS, and we will have this input field out there. Basically here you will write something here to search something here. Basically click on programming, and this is the company logo here of google.com. We will be designing this logo as well. So this is the logo, this is a search input field, and this is a search icon here. And we have this background color which is familiar to google.com. You will see this is a background color that Google uses here. So we will try to replicate this design, guys, and build it from scratch inside HTML and CSS. If you're watching it for the very first time, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel. So this is the search results landing page. So you will see all these search results are available to us. Default styling, as you can see, this blue color is given to the hyperlink. It is clickable, so it will go to the initial URL. You will see that it is completely working here. So this is a hyperlink which are there, and this is the URL section, default green color which is applied to them, and this is a short little description. So a background brown color is given to it. So we will design this interface, guys, from scratch inside HTML and CSS. For this very purpose, I have written a complete blog post on my tutorial website, webninjadeveloper.com. So here I have this blog post here. So this contains all the step-by-step instruction, guys, which is needed for this video. So you can follow this step-by-step blog post, and all the source code is given in a step-by-step manner. You will understand fully well this blog post if I have written in complete detail about it. So if you want to get all the source code, you can go to the description of this blog post and get all the source code. So I have also given this blog post link in the live chat as well, guys. So you can click that and go to this blog post. Please hit that like button, guys. I'm seeing that people are not liking the content. Only one like is there. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel. So now let me just start building this application. So I will now open a new directory here inside my projects folder, and let me create a directory here of Google search. I will cd into this Google search, and basically, guys, I will open this inside the Visual Studio Code text editor, and basically here we will be creating a index.html file, guys. So just create this index.html file and basically give it a title. Let's suppose I give it as Google search results landing page UI clone. So simply give this heading, guys. So you can even ask questions, guys, at the end of this live stream. I will take all your questions. So basically, guys, inside this we will start writing the basic header portion here. So I will make it side by side and start this open with live server. So it will start this application. So we will write the codes in a step-by-step manner. So first of all, I will write the header portion HTML code, and then we will be styling it. Let me make it side by side. So this is the code here. So first of all, guys, inside this section here we will have the header portion here which will be available to us. So right here basically we will have a parent class, parent div, which we will have, which will have a class of wrapper. Inside this we will have the header class. Inside this we will have the header content class, and inside this, guys, we will have the logo class, logo container. So here we will show that Google logo. Basically this will be an anchor tag here. This will not go to anywhere. So basically inside this anchor tag, guys, we will need to display the image from the google.com. So basically you can take this image, guys, you can go to google.com and basically you can simply copy this image, simply right click, copy image address, simply copy this image address, paste it. So this is exactly the image which we are using, the official image of google.com. If you refresh now page, you will now see this image is embedded successfully. So now you can see this is the logo here, and after this anchor tag is over, guys. So now after this anchor tag, after this div tag, this is holding the logo for us. Now we need to design our input field, guys. So this will be contained inside a div which will have a class of search container. Then we will have a simple form here, guys. So basically this form, inside this form we will have a simple input field here. So input type will be of text, and basically, guys, this will be a simple input field out there. You will see this is a simple input field which is there. So we need to give it a class, guys, of search box. All these classes we will style it inside our css class, guys. Search box, simply do this. After this, guys, we will have a simple button. Basically this button, guys, will have the search icon also embedded into it. Basically, let me, after this input field out there, we will paste the button also. This is your button, guys. So this is a search icon we are displaying here. You can see this is the icon here. It is not looking good now. We need to style it obviously inside our css file. So right here you need to include the css file here, guys. So right here after the title, just include the css file, just make it style.css, and right here inside your root directory just make this file style.css. So now we need to write the css styles for this application, guys. So simply do this live, just to create some space. So now inside our CSS, guys, what we need to do is that basically we need to write the CSS styles here. So first of all, what we will do is that we will target all the elements by the start selector, and basically we will change the font family to Arial sans serif. Sans serif. This is the font family we will use, and also we will change the color to this color, guys, which Google uses 545454. This is the color, the grayish color. Now we will target the HTML body, guys. So in this case we will remove the margin and the padding. So margin to 0, padding to 0. So this will remove the margin and the padding, guys. So now you will see that. After this, guys, we will target the wrapper class, which is the parent class here, parent div, which has this class. So we will change the display to flex. So we will use here flex box, guys, and also we will say flex direction, which is equal to column, and we will make the minimum height to 100%. So just make these changes. After this, guys, we have a index page inside our wrapper class. We have a class called as index page. So the first page inside display, we will say justify content to center. So after this, guys, we will target the main section here. Basically the main section is the one which is containing this input field out there and the search icon. So this is a container which is main section. So we have given the class main section. Again, we need to change the display to flex. So if you change the display to flex, guys, then we also need to change the flex direction to column, and also we need to say that align items in the center direction. So after this, guys, what we need to say, we need to target this search container. You will see that this is a search container we need to target. Inside this main section we have this search container class. So first of all, what we will do is that we will make the margin from the top position to 20 pixel. There will be margin from the top position, and also we will make the width as 100% like this. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that we need to target our form. Inside the form we have this input field out there. So we will say main section, search container, and form. So for this form, guys, we will also change the display property to flex. So here we are extensively using the flex box layout. We will say flex direction to column, and again we will say align items to center. Just make this change, guys. So now we will target the actual search button that you see right here, guys. This is a search button that you're seeing right here. It is not looking good, it is really big out there. So first of all, we will change the color of this icon to this color which Google uses, 757575. This is a color. And also we will change the background color, guys, which will be equal to grayish color, f5 f5 f5. This is a color. We will now see the background color will change. We also need to remove the border, guys, so we don't need the border. So you can see the border will be removed, and also we don't need the height to be 36 pixel. So you will see the width also we need to change to 125 pixel. So width will be 125 pixel. Border radius we will say is 1 pixel. Font size we will say 13 pixel. This will make a significant difference, guys. And also we will change the font weight property to bold. Margin top we will say is equal to 20 pixel. Cursor we will change to pointer, and outline is equal to none. That's it. This is the styling, guys, for the button. And now we will target the search box here. So search box is very simple, guys. So basically if you see here, we need to target this search box. So for now targeting this search box, it's very easy, guys. So we will target the search box like this. So we will say main section, search container, and inside this we will have this class which is search box. So here we again need to remove the border, guys. We don't need the border. And also we need to have a box shadow effect here which is called as 0 2 pixel 2 pixel 0. So this box shadow you need to assign, guys, so simply paste it. So if you see the HTML, guys, so let me again copy paste this HTML. I think I have made a mistake here, not giving all the classes. Let me see, div wrapper. Let me once again copy paste it. So if you see, guys, we are targeting this input field out there which is have this class which is called as search box. So we are styling this search box class here. So we have given this box shadow effect here. So we are including this file style.css. So obviously, so after this, guys, after we given this box shadow, we need to change its height to 44 pixel. Height will be equal to 44 pixel. Let me paste its style here like this. And then it is coming, if you see, we are targeting this search box. So basically this search box we are targeting it. If you see, oh, we need to hard reload, guys. Sometimes it can create a problem because sometimes it cannot load the CSS. So that's why we need to do this thing, guys. So after this, guys, what we need to do is that you can see we have given this. If you see, if I change this padding to, let's suppose, 50 pixel. Let me open this, open with live server. So if you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel. So this is the Google search results login page. Sometimes reloading can take a lot of time because the file here, this is in this case, this file can take a lot of time. So first I will do is that I will write all the HTML here. And let me shift to a different file. Let me close out all windows, try to open a new file here. Let me uh, make index.html. Simply paste the HTML. HTML is very easy, guys. So I have explained it inside my blog post. Each result here is given a class of result container, and each has a title class anchor element which contains the URL of that search result. Then we have this URL and the description. So basically guys, now we are including the style.css, so we need to create style.css. Simply create this file, and basically if you reload this page here, try to reload. This is all the HTML which is there guys. You can see that we need to style this obviously. So we will simply now style this. So first of all, what we will do guys here, basically, if you see inside our new file which is style.css, up till now we have already coded this much stuff. We have coded up till search box. If you see, if you closely notice, we have written this up till now, this code till now. Now we need to style the logo. If you there inside the main section, we have the logo container class. So we need to make the width of the logo to be around 220 pixel, and we need to align the text in the center position. And we will now target the actual image. We will make the width as 100%. So width will be 100%. So header, we will simply say, we will target the header, and basically we will change its background color to this color that Google uses. So background color FA. If you closely notice, this is a background color that we are using here. If you refresh the page, so the color is changed guys. You can now see background color. If you change to red, so you can see the background color is changed to red here. But this color, if you see the header color, it is differentiated. So we have to successfully change the background color of the header, which is this color. After this guys, we need to target our header content class, and here we will just change the display to flex, align items to center. So basically if you do this like this guys, all the things will be in side by side. If you closely notice here in the right hand side, if I done this thing here, right here, basically if I remove the styling here, this was in the vertical order. So as I added this styling, display flex align item center, it shifted in horizontal way. So after this guys, we also need to target our header content, and inside this we have this logo container. This time we need to change the width to 150 pixel. This will be smaller, padding will be 5 pixel, 20 pixel, and here we need to also say that box sizing is equal to border box. So just make this, and also guys we will make the search container flex property to 1. So this will make sure that it takes the entire space like this. And also we will see the margin which is equal to of the input field here like this. So now you can see that. So now we will target the search bar container class which is there inside the header section. So if you do this right here, you will now see this will be the search input field right there. We are giving the height 44 pixel, border radius 2 pixel, background color is white. So you can see that background color is completely white. Box shadow we are giving it to make it material design like. We are giving width to 70%, maximum width to 630 pixel, box sizing, border box and display to flex. So after this guys, we will target the search box class. The search box is the this one class where you are writing our search query. So here we will say flex to 1. So this will be entire width here. It will take the entire width of the down here like this. After this guys border, we will remove it. Background color transparent, padding 12 pixel, font size 16, color is black. And then we will be targeting our button guys, which is a search icon. So we will change the background color to white, as you can see. For the actual image guys, we will make the width to 17 pixel. So this will be smaller here and it will be completely fitted into the input field right here. So we have simply made the width to 17 pixel and margin top to 11 pixel. That's it. If you see now, this is a search field which is quite ready now guys. You will now see this is our search field where we can write something here. This is a logo, this is a search field. So basically these are the stylings which are necessary guys. So now we will come to the next section guys, where this all an images section. This is actually called as actual tabs here. So first of all, we will give some margin from the left position. Basically, if you give some margin from the left position, it shifts from the left position something else. So we have removed the padding and the margin. And also guys, we need to individually style this list items. We first of all need to remove these bullet sign that you see in the black corner. For that, we will use this property which is called as display, which is inline block. And padding, we are giving this property. Color we have changed to this one. Then we will be removing this underline as well guys. If you see this underline that is saying right here all images, so underline is there. So text decoration property will be none, so this will remove the underline, so you will see the underline will not be there. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. So we need to make a active class guys. We need to give this all a active class. By default it will be selected, so there will be an active class attached to it. So slight a basically a border from the bottom position will be given, which will be of blue color. Basically it is signifying that you are currently on this list item. If you want to change this to images by using some kind of JavaScript, you can attach this class to the images dynamically. And then we can even style the anchor tag guys, which is selected, which is having the active class attached to it. So this will have also the bolded text. This will have this blue bolded text out there. We have increased the font weight to bold and we have changed the color to blue color like this. So now guys, this section is over. Now basically we will move to this section about 24 results. So basically here we will be first of all targeting this whole section which is holding all this stuff here, which is called as main result section. We will change the flex property to 1. So basically it is holding all this stuff. Now we will be having the result count guys. So basically for the result count, this needs to be shifted at the center position, and basically we are writing some styling for this. So font size we will simply increase to 13 pixel, and basically we will change the background color to slight gray color, very light gray color like this, and margin left which will be equal to 150 pixels. So just slightly shifting for it from the left position. So that's it. Now we will be targeting the site results guys. So which is the these next portion that you see right here inside our Google search landing page. And this will be shifting to the middle position guys. You will see we have given a margin, same margin 150 here. If you make a mistake here giving a 100 pixel margin, then there will be a slight adjustment error. So you need to be very precise whenever you are giving this adjustments 150 pixel. So just make sure that you give like this. So now you can see that it is appearing right here in the perfect position. So now if you see guys, we just need to slightly modify the settings, just change the colors, all these. It is perfectly styled here. Basically this is your completely responsive also. If you viewing it on mobile phone, it is also appearing it perfectly. Just we need to adjust this section here which is appearing these sections. So first of all what we will do guys, we will first of all target this result container, and here we will change the display property to flex. So display to flex direction column, and margin bottom to 26 pixels. So basically it will shift in a downward direction. It will have some margin from the bottom position. In between these links here, we have some spacing out there. So this looks slightly better than previous. And after this, guys, what we need to do is that we need to target the title tag. We need to remove the margin. So margin we will set to 0. There will be no margin out there. You will now see there will be no margin out there. It will be completely shifted to the up position. So in between the title there is no spacing out there. So this is the margin that Google uses. And then we will target the actual anchor tag, guys. You will see this anchor tag. We will change the color to blue color. You will see the color will change to blue color. This is exactly the color Google uses inside their search engine, which is 1A 0DAB. This is the color. You can note down this color, guys. This is a dark blue color. Text decoration, we have removed the underline that was appearing right before. If you just eliminate this, underline will take place. So we need to do text decoration none. Font weight normal and font size is 18 pixel. Now we need to, if I hover onto this, I need to show the underline. So what we can do is that basically we can add a pseudo class here, which is hover, and basically we can make text decoration to underline. So now you can see if I hover onto these clicks hyperlinks, it will be changing to a actual hyperlink. So so that we can click it and go to the page. Now guys, we will target this actual URL. We need to change it to green color that Google uses. So this is a green color, guys. This is hexadecimal code for this, which is equal to 006621. This is the color that Google uses here. Font size is also 14 pixels. So you can now see it has completely changed to green color that Google uses here. So this is a landing page, guys. And the nice last thing which is remaining, guys, which is for result container description, is short little description which is there for every link out there. So you can see the color is changed to, sorry, not this, description wise. Just copy this. I have pasted 2 times. So the description color is changed here, guys. You will now see font size we have decreased it to 12 pixels, so it will be slightly lower. If you eliminate this, this was appearing right here very long, very high. So you can now see it, its height is slightly decreased with the font size. That's all, guys, that you need to do, guys, inside this. So basically this is the Google landing page for search results. So basically if you search any item of on Google, this search results page appears, which is SERP page. So we have completely designed this layout from scratch inside HTML CSS. If you're watching it for the very first time, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel. I'm seeing that people are not liking the content in recent videos. They are not subscribing the channel. They are not liking the content, and I don't know why people have shown the disinterest in my videos if they are not liking my videos anymore. So I don't know the reason, but still I am seeing the decline in the views, in the decline in the likes, in the decline of the subscribers. So in the comments also, most time my JavaScript file is not loaded. Then I have to reload 2-3 times. Okay. Bean Hammer saying is hi. Aravind is also say hi. Clever here, hi. Please hit that like button, guys. Subscribe the channel. If you have any sort of questions related to this blog post, you can ask in the comment section. And if you have don't any questions, I can switch off this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel. And I have given all the source code in the description of this video, guys, so you can simply get all the source code by going to the description of this video. So if you're watching it for the very first time, Gagan is saying hello, brother. So Gagan, please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well. I'm pretty fine because you guys are not liking the content, not subscribing to the channel, so that's why I'm a little bit hurt. And I'm just pleading to you that requesting, guys, please appreciate the hard work because you are not liking the content. Okay, you are already done. So thank you very much for liking that content. I was greatly appreciative that you appreciated the content, you hit in the like button. Okay, you always support my channel. That's a very good thing on your part. So each and every subscriber must be like you, that supports the channel in difficult times, because lately the channel is not going well. Very less watching is there. I don't know what I need to do in order to get high watching, but still people are not liking the contents, not subscribing to this channel, guys. So please hit that like button, guys. So in this video we have developed this search engine layout of Google search engine. So this different kind of pages are there. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth page. This is a Google landing page UI clone which we have developed inside HTML5 and CSS3. So various links are available right here. Basically, you have seen these links out there inside the Google website whenever you search something on google.com. This is a UI section, tab section. This is a actual page which contains the title, a URL, and short little description. So whenever you click it, you go to the appropriate website which is there on the internet. So we will try to build this application from scratch. We have developed it, and I have given the source code in the live chat. So if you want interested, you can go to it. I think that you should create short, like 10-minute videos explaining concept about programming. Okay, then definitely I will consider it. Please hit that like button, guys. Subscribe the channel as well. I'm seeing that people are not liking the content. There is a like button below the video. Please hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any sort of question, you can ask in the comment section, because people are not liking the content. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel as well.
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ ਰੱਖਣਾ तो ਉਹ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਬਣਾ ਲਈ ਹੁਣ ਮੈਂ ਬੈਠਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਰੋਟੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਖਾਵਾਂ ਜਾਂ ਤੇ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਧਰ ਰੱਖ ਤੇ ਤਾਰ ਇੱਧਰ ਹੋਏ ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਬੈਠ ਜਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਗੇ ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਹੋਏ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਸਿੱਖ ਜਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਕਮੀਜ਼ ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਰੱਖੀ ਉਹ ਉੱਥੇ ਟੰਗ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਰੱਖ ਦੇਣਾ ਬਾਈ ਚਾਂਸ ਗੱਦਾ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਜਾਂ ਕੁਝ ਕਰੇ ਨਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਨੀਚੇ ਜੋ ਪਰਚੀਆਂ ਹੋਣਗੀਆਂ ਨਾ ਸੱਟੀ ਨਾ ਸਾਰੀ